if you come back during the Halloween Horror Night event that we do, I get to walk you through here sometimes with zombies from Walking Dead chasing you, or Chucky, or Jason, or Michael Myers. The cabin behind that, from the Great Outdoors, with John Candy and Dan Aykroyd. Also used in Naked Gun 33 and a third, Shooter with Mark Wahlberg. Now, Universal has been fortunate to work with generation-defining directors such as Alfred Hitchcock and also Steven Spielberg. And now, we're absolutely thrilled to have partnered with Academy Award winner Jordan Peele. In a moment, we're going to take you through the actual sets of Jupiter's Claim. This is the set from the sci-fi thriller Nope, which stars Daniel Kaluuya, Keke Palmer, and Stephen Young. To tell you more about it, here is Jordan Peele. Take a look at the monitors above your head.
Movie magic only happens when a team of collaborators, often in the hundreds, work together to take an impossible notion and bring it to life. This is Jupiter's Claim, a nostalgic, small-time Southern California amusement park owned by former child star Ricky Jupiter. Over there, look into the waiting room. Have your picture taken just like the kids in that old 90s movie Kid Show. That's what this whole place is loosely based on. Remember that one? Further down, you can see a brand new Star Lasso experience. Showcasing an unbelievable live show. Welcome to the world of Nope.
Hi, my name is John Porfino. I'm the Vice President of Creative here at Universal Studios Hollywood. And where we are right now is at Jupiter's Claim, which is one of the pivotal scenes from Jordan Peele's newest film, Nope. Well, what we were fortunately able to do is actually take the actual show sets from the film site, which is about 50 miles north of here, and meticulously bring them back together, bring it to life here, just as it was up there, to take its place with some of the other great attractions we've got, such as Steven Spielberg's War of the Worlds or Alfred Hitchcock's Psycho House, and now Jordan takes his place amongst those great filmmakers. Well, some pretty interesting things. Once you see the film, you'll understand a bit more, but even if you haven't seen the film, there's a lot of flavor here brought to life, and guests who will be going through the tram experience will be able to drive through here on July 22nd, day and date with the film release, and for our VIP visitors, they'll be actually able to get off and walk around a little bit and explore.
famoso, el famoso
Well, ladies and gentlemen, we hope you've enjoyed your exclusive behind-the-scenes look, actual sets from Nope,